Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing promoting your link on Facebook again, yet we're going to be talking about doing this in groups, and we're going to be talking about joining a group. Now, one of the ways in which people interact on Facebook is to interact in groups. Now, the difference between groups and pages is that in groups, everyone is expected to contribute, everyone is posting links, everyone is posting. So you will not be viewed as the authority, you will not be the only one posting, and that you will want to be more social in these groups than you are on your own page. You're expected on your page to post links without necessarily doing, I'd say, as much posting and socializing. However, in groups, you are expected to socialize more than you should be posting your own links. And so what you want to be doing is you want to join groups, and you want to join those groups that are going to be central to your niche. Okay, so when you find these dog training groups, you want to join them. And so what's going to happen is that you are going to be involved in participating in these groups. What's going to happen is each group is going to have its own rules, and you are going to want to follow the rules of the actual group. Okay, and so the thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to keep the rules, while at the same time you want to make sure that you get the opportunity to participate by posting your information and posting your links. And you should follow the same pattern in a group. You should be posting pretty much 3 to 4 informational posts for every promotional post. But you want to make sure of the rules of the group that you are allowed to post your promotional link. Now again, participating in groups is going to be important. You are going to be finding out about things that you will not find out about just from the news. So it is another way for you to socialize on social media, on Facebook, and for you to be able to get your link in front of more people. So again, thanks, and I will see you in another video.